It was yummy. Look at this. We ate everything. Soup. This is purely sake and clam. It's a beautiful broth. So add a little bit more water. Some rice. So it's kind of rice risotto we can make with a beautiful sake dashi, sake and clam dashi. So we can eat everything. No waste. And you can add salt if you need it. And you can garnish with a scallion or anything. You can put the shiitake, mushroom, like sliced here. And you can add more butter, whatever you can do. Preparing 1 egg and beaten, just a little bit beaten. And look at this pan. Open. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, and turn off. And then we're gonna wait for, I don't know how many seconds, maybe 1 minute. You can do. All of the sake broth, sake and clam broth, and adding some garnish. Beautiful, right? Yay! Thank you.